One is called No Man's Sky. No Man's Sky was created by like 14 college kids on one DVD. It has 80 quadrillion planets. Now, what happens in The Sims and this other game, No Man's Sky, when these people become conscious from the AI and then write their own programs inside the program and create another conscious universe?
The rapid advancements in artificial intelligence have permeated various industries, profoundly altering conventional practices. Game development, in particular, has witnessed a significant transformation owing to AI integration. But how exactly is AI reshaping this creative domain? Let's delve into the video. With AI's ubiquitous influence revolutionizing industries, one might wonder, how is AI shaping the landscape of game development? In this comprehensive exploration, we uncover the multifaceted ways AI is revolutionizing game development processes. First of all, let us look at what AI is in gaming. In gaming, AI refers to the integration of intelligent algorithms and systems into video games, enhancing the realism and immersion of virtual environments. AI agents within games simulate human behavior, learning from player actions, adapting their strategies, and interacting dynamically with players. This adaptive behavior ensures that gameplay remains challenging, engaging, and unpredictable, offering players a truly unique experience with each playthrough. How does AI work in games? AI in games operates through a combination of algorithms and data. Developers design algorithms to govern the behavior and decision-making of non-playable characters, while data analysis informs AI systems of player behavior, enabling them to fine-tune their responses and interactions. This synergy between algorithms and data enables AI in games to simulate intelligent behavior, creating dynamic and interactive experiences for players. Now let's look at the emergence of AI in games. AI, once a concept relegated to science fiction, has swiftly evolved into a cornerstone of modern technology. Its blend of computer science, data analytics, and machine learning has propelled it into various sectors, including healthcare, finance, and notably the gaming industry. AI is a transformative force across industries. The trajectory of AI has been nothing short of meteoric. From its inception as a speculative idea, it has rapidly evolved into a critical tool driving innovation and efficiency across diverse sectors. Gaming's appeal spans across age groups and preferences, serving as a platform for storytelling, skill development, and social interactions. This broadening scope has positioned the gaming industry as a fertile ground for innovative technologies like AI. Now, let us look at 5 ways to use AI in game development. Number 1. Coding assistance. AI's prowess in coding assistance is undeniable. Developers leverage AI such as ChatGPT not only to expedite coding tasks, but also to enhance their understanding of complex systems. While AI may not yet master intricate programming challenges, its ability to provide solutions and code snippets proves invaluable in expediting development. Number 2. AI voice acting. Voice acting adds depth and realism to game characters, yet the cost and availability of professional voice actors poses challenges. Enter AI voice acting, an incredibly viable option. As AI-driven voice technology advances, developers can imbue their characters with lifelike voices, enhancing the immersive gaming experience without straining budgets. Number 3. AI-generated 3D models. Creating intricate 3D models can be labor-intensive, requiring substantial time and skill. AI-powered tools like Sloy streamline this process by generating customizable 3D assets swiftly and efficiently. While AI-generated models do have their limitations, they offer game developers a cost-effective solution for populating their virtual worlds with diverse objects and characters. Number 4. AI-assisted documentation. Documentation is a critical yet time-consuming aspect of game development. AI steps in to alleviate this burden by automating documentation processes. From generating clean code documentation to organizing game design documents, AI enhances productivity and ensures developers can focus more on creative endeavors. Number 5. AI animation tools. Animation breathes life into game characters, but traditional animation workflows can be tedious. AI-powered animation tools like Cascader and Moen revolutionize this process by automating motion capture and adding nuanced details to character animations. As these tools evolve, they promise to redefine animation in game development. Let us look into streamlining development processes with AI in gaming. The integration of AI in game development heralds a new era, empowering designers with tools to create immersive, dynamic, and intelligent game environments. AI-driven solutions streamline developmental processes, enhancing efficiency and unleashing creativity. AI in animation and design. Animation, a cornerstone of game development, often entails labor-intensive processes. AI algorithms automate animation tasks, generating lifelike movements and expressions with remarkable precision. Additionally, AI plays a pivotal role in level design and world generation, analyzing player data to create diverse and engaging game environments. AI in playtesting and optimization. AI transforms playtesting, simulating player interactions to swiftly identify areas for improvement. It aids in bug detection and performance optimization, ensuring a seamless gaming experience. The future of AI in gaming holds immense promise, with advancements poised to reshape development processes, gaming experiences, and accessibility. From self-learning game engines to personalized gaming experiences, AI is set to redefine the boundaries of what games can achieve. Artificial intelligence has emerged as an indispensable tool for gaming developers, revolutionizing the gaming landscape and unlocking unparalleled possibilities for creativity and innovation. AI's integration into gaming development represents a transformative shift, offering unprecedented opportunities for innovation and engagement. While challenges persist, the potential for AI to enhance gaming experiences and expand accessibility is undeniable. As the gaming industry embraces AI, it must navigate ethical considerations and ensure responsible implementation, fostering a future where technology and creativity converge to shape unforgettable gaming experiences. In conclusion, AI's integration into game development is a paradigm shift that offers boundless possibilities. From expediting coding tasks to revolutionizing animation, AI empowers developers to create immersive gaming experiences more efficiently than ever before. Share your thoughts and experiences with us in the comments section. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to stay updated. Until next time.